Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In this video, we'll be exploring the intriguing concept of eating like a bodybuilder for 24 hours. This challenge has been gaining popularity in the fitness community, as it offers a unique insight into the dietary habits of those who strive for peak physical performance. Explaining the rules and restrictions of this challenge is crucial to understanding the dedication and discipline required to follow a bodybuilder's diet. Participants must adhere to a strict meal plan consisting of high-protein, low-carb foods, often consumed in frequent intervals throughout the day. This means saying goodbye to your favorite snacks and indulging in copious amounts of chicken, rice, and vegetables. While the thought of eating like a bodybuilder may seem daunting, the potential benefits are undeniable. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods, you can experience increased energy levels, improved muscle growth, and enhanced overall performance. However, the challenge also presents its fair share of difficulties, including the time and effort required to prepare and consume such large quantities of food. Are you up for the challenge? Let's find out together. Setting the stage. When it comes to taking on the 24-hour bodybuilder diet challenge, preparation is key. Planning your meals in advance is essential to ensure that you meet the required macronutrient ratios for optimal performance and results. This means carefully selecting a variety of lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your body throughout the day. Each meal should be a well-balanced combination of these essential nutrients, providing your body with the fuel it needs to power through intense workouts and daily activities. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and fish are crucial for muscle repair and growth, while complex carbohydrates like brown rice and sweet potatoes provide sustained energy levels. Incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil is also important for overall health and well-being. Meal prep plays a significant role in the success of this challenge, as it allows you to have nutritious meals ready to go when hunger strikes. Portion control is another key factor to keep in mind, as overeating can sabotage your efforts to stay on track with the bodybuilder diet. By setting the stage with well-planned meals and a focus on portion control, you'll be well equipped to tackle the 24-hour bodybuilder diet challenge head-on. Get ready to fuel your body like never before. Meal 1. Breakfast of Champions. Welcome to the first meal of the day in our 24-hour bodybuilder diet challenge breakfast. This meal sets the tone for the rest of the day, so it's essential to start off on the right foot. A bodybuilder-style breakfast is all about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to kickstart your metabolism and provide sustained energy throughout the morning. For a balanced breakfast, include foods like egg whites, oatmeal, and berries. Egg whites are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle recovery and growth. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that will keep you feeling full and satisfied, while berries add a burst of antioxidants and flavor to your meal. A high-protein breakfast not only supports muscle recovery but also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and curb cravings throughout the day. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial for optimal performance, so be sure to drink plenty of water with your breakfast. If necessary, consider incorporating supplements like protein powder or vitamins to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. By starting your day with a bodybuilder-style breakfast, you're setting yourself up for success in the 24-hour challenge ahead. Get ready to conquer the day like a true champion. Meal 2. Power Lunch. It's time for a midday refuel with a bodybuilder-approved lunch that will keep you energized and focused for the rest of the day. For this meal, opt for nutrient-dense foods like grilled chicken, sweet potatoes, and steamed broccoli to provide a well-rounded mix of protein, carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. Grilled chicken is a lean protein source that supports muscle repair and growth, while sweet potatoes offer complex carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and sustain energy levels. Steamed broccoli adds fiber and antioxidants to the meal, promoting overall health and digestion. Carbohydrates play a crucial role in replenishing glycogen stores, which are essential for fueling intense workouts and physical activity. By including carbohydrates in your lunch, you're ensuring that your body has the energy it needs to perform at its best. Mindful eating is key to fully enjoying and benefiting from your lunch. Take the time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and appreciate the flavors and textures of your meal. This not only aids in digestion but also helps you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues, promoting better overall health and well-being. With a power-packed lunch like this, you'll be ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. Keep fueling your body like a true champion. Meal 3. Protein-packed snack. As we move through the day in our Bodybuilder Diet Challenge, it's time for a protein-packed snack to keep your energy levels up and your muscles fueled. Choosing options like Greek yogurt, almonds, and protein shakes provides a quick and convenient way to get a dose of protein between meals, helping to support muscle repair and promote satiety. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth, making it essential for anyone following a bodybuilder-style diet. By incorporating protein-rich snacks into your day, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to recover from workouts and stay strong and healthy. When selecting snacks, it's important to opt for healthy alternatives to avoid processed foods and excess sugar. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics, while almonds offer a satisfying crunch and heart-healthy fats. Protein shakes are a convenient option for those on the go, providing a quick and easy way to refuel between meals. By choosing protein-packed snacks like these, you'll be supporting your fitness goals and staying on track with your Bodybuilder Diet Challenge. Keep nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. Meal 4. Dinner Delight. As the day winds down, it's time to prepare a satisfying dinner that aligns with the nutritional needs of a bodybuilder. Opting for nutrient-dense options like salmon, quinoa, and roasted vegetables creates a well-rounded meal that provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Quinoa offers a complete source of protein and complex carbohydrates, while roasted vegetables provide fiber and a variety of micronutrients to support overall health and well-being. Including omega-3 fatty acids and a range of micronutrients in your dinner is essential for meeting the nutritional demands of a bodybuilder's diet. These nutrients play a key role in supporting muscle recovery, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall wellness. Practicing mindful eating during dinner can help you fully enjoy and appreciate your meal while tuning into your body's hunger cues. Take the time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and listen to your body's signals of fullness. By being mindful of your eating habits, you can better nourish your body and support your fitness goals. Enjoy this dinner delight and fuel your body like a true champion. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing the 24-hour Bodybuilder Food Challenge. Throughout this journey, we've explored the importance of fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods to support muscle growth, energy levels, and overall health. Let's recap the key takeaways from this challenge and its impact on your well-being. By following a bodybuilder's diet, you've learned the significance of incorporating lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats into your meals to optimize performance and recovery. This balanced approach not only supports muscle growth but also enhances energy levels and overall vitality. As you reflect on your experience with the Bodybuilder Food Challenge, consider how you can incorporate elements of this diet into your daily meals for long-term health and fitness benefits. Whether it's adding more protein-rich foods or focusing on nutrient-dense options, small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. I encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with this challenge in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on nutrition, fitness, and wellness. Keep exploring related videos to continue your journey towards a healthier, stronger you. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and remember to keep fueling your body like a true champion.